Justin Sun and Huobi exchange. Big drama. Hit the bell, subscribe, and like if you haven't done it already. I'm going to go over a bunch of things that the Googler has to say. And here we go. 200 million transferred from Binance to Justin Sun. What's happening? It's almost like a soap opera. You know, they're addicted to clicks. They're addicted to the ad revenue. Tron's Justin Sun says, ignore FUD and keep building as Huobi hemorrhages investors, staff, reserves. It sounds like Armageddon. Let's see. So, we'll start with Tron's Justin Sun says, ignore the FUD. Here we go. Nansen reported this week that cryptocurrency exchange Huobi, symbol HT, had seen a significant increase in net outflows of 94.2 milli in the past week and 60.9 million within 24 hours. Huobi's stablecoin reserves decreased by 9.5% in just 1 week, down to 681 million. Huobi's Bitcoin crypto BTC reserves are now down 90% over the past year. In the past 24 hours, Huobi has seen significant increase in net outflows. 60.9 million of the 94.2 million net outflow in the past week occurred in the past day alone. Watch, next headline is going to be Justin Sun loots Huobi. So, that's the first article. Crypto Quant also reported Huobi's user activity dropped by a factor of 44 times lower from its peak in May 2019. Huobi confirmed its intent to cut 20% of its staff. So Tron founder Justin Sun is on Huobi's advisory council, but remained vaguely supportive in his tweets. We believe that the key to success in the world of cryptocurrency is to ignore FUD and keep building. People have speculated Sun was the driving force behind Huobi, but the association with Huobi and Tron may be costing him because TRX tokens fell last week. So, TRX tokens lost nearly 8% of their value in the last 24 hours. This is from a few days ago, by the way. While token today is the 9th of January 2023. So the tokens lost nearly 11%, and Tron-based stablecoin USDD fell 3 cents, losing its 1.1 peg. So that's that article. Let's go back and see some more exciting FUD. We got CoinDesk, and let's see what they're saying. Tron's price sinks 8% USDD pegs amid drama at Justin Sun-related Huobi. Community sentiment soared around Huobi, which has Tron founder Sun as an advisor, and it said it will lay off hundreds of staff in the coming weeks. The price of Tron, the 18th largest token by market capitalization, tumbled Friday amid tensions stemming from crypto exchange Huobi as the broader crypto market held steady. So Tron founder Justin Sun sits on the Huobi advisory board. The exchange said Friday it'll cut its headcount by 20%. Amazing how everyone writes the same thing, just puts a little bit of a different tweak on it in the way that they word things. It also closed internal staff communication channels to quell a rebellion, according to reports on Twitter. So TRX fell nearly 8% in 24 hours. The price is above the price is above a support level of 5 cents, and it dropped below that. Okay, fine. So look, now as I'm sitting here reading you about that catastrophe, just to show you how they like to swing the pendulum in the crypto sphere, and it's amazing how more than ever all the dramas are getting milked for ads, and the milking is just going and going and going, and there's no end in sight of trying to do this. So here, Cointelegraph sends a tweet unrelated to TRX. Bitcoin and select altcoins have started a strong recovery. We're in recovery now. All the addicts are in recovery. Boosted by the weakness in DXY and the strength in SPX. So, price analysis. Let's see. For SPX, DXY, BTC, ETH, BNB, XRP, Doji, ADA, Matic. Let's check it out. Why not, right? DXY is cooling off and crypto and equities are starting to heat up. Cointelegraph explores how BTC and altcoins could react to the current bullish momentum in the market. Investors across asset classes have been keeping a close watch on the United States Federal Reserve's monetary policy because that sets the stage for a risk-on or a risk-off environment. Wax on, wax off, risk on, risk off. I'm just looking here because someone's walking into a golf course with their dog, and I have to say, I understand that there's no golfing and there's at least 2 feet of snow to my left, but please, I didn't see them holding that golden stamp of approval, a bag. While the cryptocurrency markets may benefit from a risk-on environment, the extent of the up move may be limited because of the issues plaguing digital currency group. Therefore, along with the macroeconomic data, crypto traders must keep an eye on the news specific to the crypto space. Could the strength in the S&P 500 and the weakness in the US dollar boost crypto prices higher? Let's study the charts to find out. After consolidating in a range for several days, the S&P 500 index broke above the 20-day exponential moving average on January 6th. This suggests that the uncertainty has resolved in favor of the buyers. The bulls will try to strengthen their position by pushing the price to the downtrend line. This is an important level to keep an eye on because a break and close above it could signal a potential trend change. The index could then rally to 4,100 and later to 4,325. Contrary to this assumption, if the index turns down from the current level or the overhead resistance, it will suggest that the bears continue to sell on relief rallies. The bears will be back in the game if the price dips below the 20-day moving average, DXY. The bulls pushed the price above the important resistance of 105 on January 5th, but they could not sustain the recovery on January 6th. This suggests that the bears continue to sell on rallies. The price turned down sharply and dipped back below the 20-day EMA. You know, it's interesting. It's like I said, I don't think I said it on this video. I said it on the previous video. It should be the previous video. There's always a trade to be had, and people don't learn their lesson easily. And they're talking here about bull, bull, bull. And it could be a lot of bull, and not the good kind of bull, but the bad kind of bull, because it seems that new projects or projects relatively new in the news or catching the news cycle, that word gets thrown around like crazy. And it's almost like they want you to chase that crypto crack no matter what, because the most important thing for you, my friends, is to hit the bell, subscribe, and like if you haven't already. Comment down below. Let me know if you like the video. But seriously, the important thing is you need to know how to interpret and judge people and read the news. Because if you can read the headlines and be able to decipher what the manipulation is all about, what's true fact or fishing, not fishing, but fiction, but they are fishing for your dollars. See you on the next one. You can do well if you can read the headlines and know what's up.